when you go back to kdp.amazon.com, okay, it will take you to a page like this. And if it does not, maybe it wants you to confirm that you're the owner, then it will send an OTP to you that you are going to type, and then it will take you here. Now when it takes you to this page, that in the first page you will see, you will need to see on the top, you are going to see shelf, bookshelf, community, and the rest. So just click on bookshelf, and then when you click on bookshelf, it's going to take you to a page. By your left, you are going to see Kindle ebook by your left, so click on it. So when you click on Kindle ebook, it will bring you a form that you are going to fill, and that form is what you have right here. That's what you have right here. So you will fill the form, and after filling the form has some essentials. You are going to have the language that you want to communicate with. The language, you set the language you want to be using to communicate with your reader, and here I have English. Then you have the book title, and then you just write your book title there. The subtitle is optional, and from the book title you also have you go to the author, you put your name as you want it on the book. Then if there are other co-authors, then you can indicate under the second one. Then you have description. That is the description of your book. That page is what the reader will see when they go to Amazon to purchase your book. So you need to be detailed about that. Then from there you have your publishing right. Just choose the first option. I own the copyright, because you are the owner of your book. You are the author. Then you come to the keywords. You put in keywords that will help anyone find your book, and mostly it is usually keywords from the title of your book. Then you go to categories. You click on set categories. Of course, for this lecture note, it is non-fiction, so you click on non-fiction, and then you pick any two categories that you think fits your book. Then you come to this page where you have the age and grade range. Now you pick the minimum and the maximum age of the reader for which your book was intended for. Then you move from there, you go to pre-order. You can pick, I am ready to release my book now, if that is what you want to do, or make my Kindle ebook available for pre-order, anyone. And then after that, you click on save and continue. So if you have filled everything correctly, it's going to save, and it's going to take you to another page. But what I have here is not saving, because there is something that I haven't done. Okay, so I am not going to do pre-order here. I'm going to pick the second option. So let's say again, saving, and done. You see that? Then it will take you to the next page. Now the next page is where you now have to do your rework. So you fill in the form. If you don't understand what is there, just click on the blue link. Like for example, here under digital right management, you have how is my Kindle ebook affected by DRM. So just place your cursor on it, or you click on it, and then it will tell you what that is. So for me, I am picking no, based on my understanding. Then I will come to this place And when I come here, I will launch my cover creator. I will upload my cover creator. So when I click on it, now so all this thing is best done with a laptop. But if it is a phone you have, no problem. You just have to manage it. So it's trying to take me to where I can have all this done. So you to take you to this page where you have choose design, style, edit, and preview. So I want to continue. Now I did not choose from the gallery. I wanted to choose my image from KDP. So I will just pick any cover page of my choice. I think I'm picking this yellow one, and of course with this yellow one I have an icon here for color, an icon here for the format, how I want it to look like, and then I have an icon for text if I want to change the text. So you can work around that one, and when you're done you can preview. So I'm trying to preview, and when I preview, it's going to take me to somewhere. It's still loading. See where it's taking us to. So normally this part takes time because it's trying to give you what you have chosen as your cover page. Then you can click on save and submit if you are okay with it. If you are not okay, you can start all over again. On your left there you will see the start over button, but I think I'm okay, so I will just click on this, save and submit. Okay, so it has taken me to another page, and it's going to, of course, do you see that cover uploaded successfully? So you have your cover already, the cover of your book. Then the next thing is okay, the next one here is you have to preview, and you can use this one here, the launch previewer. Once you click on it, then and you're okay, you can continue, and then you just click save and move on. Okay, as for the Kindle ebook ISBN, I don't need to pick anything there because the Kindle Amazon usually have something that you don't need to have an ISBN since it's not a hard copy. So that's what you have there. Now the thing isn't saving because there's something I have not done, okay, which is this one. So I will go there. You must complete the upload of your manuscript and save before. Okay, so you come to this now. I have a manuscript, that lecture note that you have prepared, so I also need to upload it, not just the cover page. So I will upload. In fact, it's the first thing I need to do. I will upload my so when you click on it, it will take you to where you have your already compiled lecture notes, the one I told you to format using the CreateSpace format. So the moment you do that, okay, I don't think I have it here. So the moment you click on that, it will take you to where you will pick you just pick that file, that document, and then once you're done with that, you upload. Once you upload, then you are good to go. So you can now press the save and submit button, and then your book will be there for review. So it takes some time, less than 72 hours, before that book will now go live, and then you can see that it is published. So when it is published, now this is what you will see. Let me show you my own let me show you my own book. So this is how yours will look like when you finally. So let me go to bookshelf. So I'm going to show you this one now. So after you have clicked on it and you have submitted, now it's going to take you to a page like the one I want to show you now, and it's going to be telling you the status of your ebook, whether it is published, whether it is under review. So usually it will be under review until the KDP Kindle has actually looked at it and see that you are okay. So now this is how the one that I am doing, this is how it looks like. It's still a draft because I didn't have the manuscript. I didn't download the manuscript, but once you click your own, you have the manuscript downloaded, and then it will look like this. This is how your book will look like now. Now if it is already published, you are going to see it here, like the easy step to self-publishing is already published. Okay, no, not that one. This purple one, that one has already been published, and that is why you can see that it says Kindle ebook live. So if it is published, you will see there that it will say live. But if it is not published, or you are not done with it, it will still be a draft. But if it is published, then you will see it live, and they will send you a message congratulating you that you have published your book, that your book has gone live. So that is all that you will have to do today.